Mastermind.
Hey guys, Newbie Life here, playing Minecraft. If you're new in my channel, because this is new my channel, so find me. So subscribe and comment down below what you want to do with me. And I have one channel, so the YouTube, the YouTube creator delete my account like Godlike Player or Newbie Life the Gamer. This is my new Newbie Life the Gamer, but my new account named Godlike Player. It's an accident. Accidentally, I changed my name, and they didn't say how many names you can change it. So really, I'm not angry at all. Just disappointment of myself that I didn't. Okay. Just subscribe to me. I can, if you subscribe, I'm never gonna change my name. Or if you can pick my name, YouTube name, if you see this. So, thanks for watching. Let's play Minecraft. Let's go. Oh, dang. Let's go. Oh, God. Oh. Yup. Okay, guys. This is my... Just, if you're new in my channel, subscribe to me. If you subscribe and give me a like, thank you for everything. Thanks for the support. And comment down below the creativist comment. I will show them what's the comment in here. My face gonna add it, and you will see what's your name or what's the comment you send to me. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.